Hey everyone, Double P here. So in today's training session, I took the Telsa, and we're at the 270 strike put for Telsa. Oh, excuse me there. Had some hair from my beard inside of my mouth. All right, so what do we do? Telsa opened up just above the box. So what do we do when Telsa opens up just above the box? Well, we wait because it should be a long day, but it's not because the way Telsa opened up kind of weak. And you can see it right here. Telsa is going in this lower low channel. So I'm in this trade. I sent it out, and I had to wait and wait and wait. So let me break out another price level here. I'm going to be out of this trade pretty soon. It's very profitable right now. 947, sent it out to my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. So you can see that right there at 947.48. And I just waited because I had to take this position. And then it bounced up, but it didn't touch the box. And then we got that beautiful drag right down there to the low. So let me look at this position here. So let me show you where the lows were. That was the low, that was the low, that was the low, that was the low. Telsa just kept making new lows. Right, so now it is right there, right? 291. And I don't need to draw the channel because you can clearly see it. So what I'll do is I will look at this candle forming right here. So I'm going to raise this stop. That'll be the new stop. If it breaks that, I'm out of the trade. So I'm going to draw a channel here. Let me get the channel tool out. My channel is going to start from right here. Oh, that's a perfect channel. That's a perfect channel. Now we're going to wait and see what the algorithms do on that channel. All right. If it breaks out of that channel, we are done. Just setting up my order to execute to sell. It's outside of that channel. Let's see what this 2-minute candle does. Let's see if it breaks. I I don't think it will break outside of that. I don't think it will break back in this channel. It looks kind of wonky. It looks like it's gonna. Yeah, you can see the MACD with prices there. It's pushing up from bearish to bullish. The CCI is right on the zero. But the money flow oscillator, the velocity of money, is really bearish. So it's a little bit of a tug and war. I don't like the histogram on that MACD with prices though, because it's telling me. Why don't I have the MACD with prices here? What am I looking at here? Let me go over here and what am I looking at? 271, 271.34. I was wondering what was going on there. That was a little bit slow using the regular MACD. I have the speed. I like to have a concurrent look, like a future pacing look, a future price action look. And on my, and I'm looking at the price action, super slow, but 242, we're very profitable. That is awesome. Right back inside that channel. That's where I want to see this position, right inside that channel. That is awesome. So you see what the algorithms are doing, even on a slow day. Vol is crushed on a very slow day. A new low right here. And we are at 270, our strike. So as yesterday, and as I've been telling you for the last, well, I don't know, what's been now 6 months, 7 months, I stay in the trade for as long as we're in that channel, right? Because this is algorithms. It's got nothing to do. It's got nothing to do with me. This is algorithms. Algorithms are now they're selling into weakness. So I'm going to stay in this trade. So let me draw out. Where's my stop? So my next stop is what? 271.10. That'll be my stop. That's a really tight stop. I could probably do 2 stops. I'll do my stop right here and lower it. Yeah, here comes the reversal. That candle. You gotta love that dragonfly doji. That's just awesome. Dragonfly doji. Usually bullish. Yeah, there's the reversal. I'm out. I'm out. That was healthy. That was a healthy, very healthy gain. Very healthy gain. Very healthy, very healthy, very healthy gain. Sorry there, I'm just getting everything geared up for my members. Sweet. Sorry about that, peeps. I'm just getting everything set up. Okay, so for you guys in the Platinum Max Power Option Trader member groups, you see what's going on here. I'm not sure. The market's very slow, very volatile, but slow. So you see what happened here with Telsa. You see the channel right here. You see the channel right there. So let's remove everything. Let's remove everything so you have a little bit more clarity. And let me remove all these studies because simply don't need them for the end of. Now I'm going to remove everything here and I'm just going to show you, because people are going to say, you get so much stuff. I don't got a lot of stuff at all. I don't got a lot of stuff at all when I'm trading. There's indicators that you can use, and 99% of the indicators are lagging indicators. You actually have to curve fit your indicators and you have to speed them up depending on the indicators that you want to use. There are certain indicators on this platform that are built for algorithmic trading. And I have found what they are and I've tweaked them out to my specifications for my style of trading, for what I like to do. So in reality, I've always told you it's price action, volume, volatility, support, and resistance. Those are the four things that you need to look at as an intraday momentum option scalper, or as an intraday momentum option trader, or as an intraday stock trader, or an intraday trend. You know, if you're trading intraday, which is, in my opinion, intraday is king. Intraday trumps all because I don't want to sit there. I don't want to sweat because this market's up and down. It's roly-poly. It's all over the place. I don't want to put a position on and have to sweat for 2 days or 3 days if I'm doing a swing trade, because you see the massive swings, right? That would mean I'd have to start getting into credit spreads or debit spreads, and I don't want to be doing that because they're good strategies, but they're low profit potential strategies. You have to really dial your stuff in, and I don't want to be getting into spreads. Spreads are safe if you're a newbie. I know what I want to do in the market every day, and I want to take out maximum profit potential out of the market every day, and I want to mitigate my losses. So let's come over here to what do I really need? I need price. I need price, right? Price action. So let's draw out these levels. First of all, I'll do a volume profile levels. That's the point of control right there. You see what happens with the institutions. You can just look at the volume profile and see what the institutions are doing. You can just look over here. This is the volume profile. You can just look at the volume profile, the levels that I just drew out for price action. This is the point of control. This is the upper level of the volume profile. This is the lower level of the volume profile. It's called the VA. And you could look and see where the liquidity nodes are. If you're a hedge fund, you're an institution, you're looking at this. This is on your desktop, right? With the algorithms backing you up. So it's letting you know what you need to do. And Telsa has earnings coming out. Telsa has earnings coming out this week, I believe. So volatility in Telsa is just getting smashed, and Telsa's been on a downward trend. Let's come over here. Let's do a 5-day 1 hour chart. 282.48 down to 265. Look at that range, right? Look where we are now. These are some deep side profit taking, deep side sell side activity on Telsa throughout on the 1 hour chart. It's beautiful. This is what you want to see leading into earnings, because one or two things are going to happen. Excuse me. Telsa is either going to pop on earnings or they're going to miss. And if Telsa pops, then let me put in a MACD with prices, and I'm going to show you exactly. Let's see. I could do this a couple different ways. A MACD with prices. I'll do it the institution way. So the institution way, we're at 271 right now. 271 on the 1 hour. So anything over 275.05 is bullish. Right now we are bearish because we're under 273.83, and the levels here are the lowest MAC could go right now on a 1 hour is 266.82. You see I had 265 here. So let me do this. Excuse me. I could do let me do a 3 month, 1 day, so that you see exactly what's happening here. So with MACD with prices, what are we looking at here? We could reverse engineer and go up to 304.81 upon earnings. Earnings is on the 19th. So what are we now? We are 13th. So what, 6 days? 6 days away. So look at where Telsa is trading. So 304.82. I mean, Telsa absolutely completely dumps the bed. We're looking at 108. We're looking at 108.33 after earnings. It could crap all the way back down there, which is a new low. When we're at that, that would be April the 27th. We're at that low, right? And then 280. So that's a wide swing for Telsa. We could look here Where's support and resistance? Well, we'll look at the volume profile. 251. Point of control is 161. That would be right around the lows because Tulsa made this massive move right here. Dipped, retraced. So we're looking at the 200 is strong right here. 200 very strong, the 20, so it's dipping under the 20 right now. You can see it. So there's a few things that Tulsa could do. I'm not a guessing man. I'm just about analytics, analytics and probabilities. So if you want to look at going into earnings with Tulsa, I wouldn't do a butterfly on Tulsa. With probably wait. It's 9 days out or 6 days out. Sorry, I would wait 3 more days before I start to look at thinking about taking a butterfly earnings on Tulsa. That could be very viable. So I hope you enjoy this end of the day trading session. This is all you need. All right, if you understand and know how to trade, this is all you need. All right, let me draw this channel. I could do this one of 2 ways now. I'm going to do it this way. So there's channel 1. Let's draw the box because it broke that channel. This is the next load of resistance. This is all resistance right here. This is where Tulsa's got to break through now. If it's going to fight back to get back to above the point of control. But that's a lot of institutional dumping right there. It's a lot of overhead resistance right there. So this is mid-level consolidation, but a lot of overhead resistance on the volume profile there. So you see what Tulsa is doing. Let's move that over. All right, you see it right there. Tap, tap, tap. So tap, tap, and tap. All right, so that's it with Double P. I hope you enjoyed this end of the day trading recap. We will do it again tomorrow and every day thereafter, as long as God gives me the strength to do these things. And yes, if you're wondering, my health is okay. I just found out that I got like a bad case of postnasal drip. It's causing a lot of mucus to go down the back of the throat and clearing my throat all the time and raspy and coughing and all that kind of stuff. Just have to get on some corticosteroids, but I don't want to do that because I want to do everything healthy. I don't want to put medicine inside my body, and medicine will be my food. That's the medicine for me now. So I'll have to figure it out. I got to talk to a naturopath and some other practitioners. So that being said, Double P, I'll see you in the next training session. Take care, everybody.